Wow, guys, I can't believe it's actually working. I have received $2 million. Welcome back, guys. It's the trader with 4 years of experience in crypto already. And I have tried a lot of ways to get free crypto online, but I never found an actually working method that can give me free crypto until I discovered this platform Get Bitcoin. So let's begin, guys, on this tutorial. And the first step is the sign up procedures. It's really, really easy. First of all, you need to put in your login. After that, a real email, no fake emails, guys. After a password, a really strong one for the security of your funds. Pass the captcha, just like so. And you can hit that create account button. As you can see, I have successfully created my account. So let's activate the promo code. I will leave the promo code down below the video in the pinned comment, as well as the link to the platform. So now let's click redeem. And we have received insane 25 Bitcoins, guys. It's really, really great. So let's withdraw it. And this is the withdrawal panel, guys. So we need the address for the withdrawal. So let's go to the wallet and grab the address just by clicking on this little button. It's copied and we can go back to the platform and paste it in the line correspondent to address of your wallet. Now clicking amount and clicking withdraw, guys, and this is a required verification payment. To fully complete this process, you just need to make a test payment in the currency of your choice. And guys, don't freak out, it's totally normal. You just make a test payment once, and by the way, it's not a fee, so you will be able to withdraw it without any trouble. On the second page, just choose the currency and network, click proceed. Here, you just need to copy the address, just like so. And now you can go to the wallet to continue your procedure there. Here in the wallet, click on USDT's logo, just like so. Then on the button send. After that, paste in the amount, the address that you copied on the platform, and type in the amount of money that you're going to send the money, and go back to the platform and click I have paid. And as you can see, guys, I have successfully verified my account. So let's withdraw our BTC while we are verified. Let's do it once again. So here on the withdrawal panel, we are doing all the same things that we already done, the address, the amount, all click withdraw, and just like this, in a couple of clicks, we got our money. Whoa, guys, I can't believe it's actually working. I have received $2 million on my balance.